Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to set up your Shopify sitemap in Google Search Console. We won't need Shopify for this tutorial. I'm just here to introduce the video. We'll be using Google Search Console on your configured Shopify domain. Setting up the sitemap in Google Search Console is simple. Google needs to know what pages are in your store. When you access your store and edit the domain, you'll see a bar. Type sitemap.xml and hit enter. This page will show other sitemap pages. It'll show the sitemap for your stores, products, pages, collections, and blogs. Within these sitemaps, if you access the provided link, you'll find detailed info about your products, so it's more of a general sitemap. This is the link you'll enter in the Google Search Console. Just copy the link or you can view it. I've edited it here, but you can view the page, copy the link, go back to Search Console and find sitemaps on the left. After clicking, you'll see a field to add a new sitemap. You'll see your domain, just edit sitemap.xml. That's it. It's exactly as you accessed earlier. To check if it was working, edit here and click the submit button. It'll verify. It'll say it was added successfully. Now it'll show the sitemap, the date you added it, and the last read date. Here it shows 0 discovered pages. It takes a few days to read and update. Clicking opens the page. Some it couldn't read. Some are successful with the number of URLs found. You just need to leave it. Ignore red errors. It's processing and updating your store. It'll update on Google, but the key is the status is successful. From now on, Google will analyze all pages, including your homepage and products, and will add them to Google search results. To check if your site is on Google, open a new page, type site, followed by your domain name. I'll enter my domain name and press enter. Oh, after hitting enter, since I just added my store to Google, it says no document was found. It didn't find any links, so you'll need to wait a few days and check again. To show the difference, I'll use the channel's website as an example. I'll enter hosttube.net, and it'll show several pages, as I set this up on Google long ago. This site of mine has been around for a long time. When you edit yours, it might show as not found, but just wait a few days and check again for updates. Now you've learned how to properly add the sitemap in Google Search Console. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.